So I made it to the trailhead. I came down from this really crazy home up there. Big skies on the other side. And it's so peaceful. So, looks like this is my trailhead. Ooh, it's cold. So here we go. .6 miles round trip. And I do have bear spray with me. So I'm gonna get my backpack ready and probably put my puffer jacket on because it's chilly right now. It's probably about 40 degrees. And then I'm gonna start. Okay, I think I'm like a mile or so in. I'm standing on a big rock pile. Wow. I have about a mile and a quarter to go. I think I'm going up there. Or maybe over there. I don't know, but the trail goes up this way, so. Let's keep on going. I'm gonna have a snack up there, hang out, and probably take some cool dance shots. It'll be fun. I'm excited to explore. Okay, here we go. Feels like I'm about to enter that spooky forest from The Wizard of Oz. husband. If you get a PS5 for Christmas, then I'm gonna ask for a big ticket item as well. And that would be a GoPro. A nice GoPro, so I can, and a few accessories, like the little glider handle. Because I feel like this video is gonna be really shaky. Okay. Okay. That was a really steep incline. I think that was all of the 1,500 foot elevation gain. But I just passed a couple that said I'm almost there. And it's so pretty. I am not so secretly hoping to see some big animals. Like, they can keep their distance, but a moose or a bear would be pretty cool. I'd even take some bighorn sheep, so yeah, we'll see. It feels so good to be outside and way up here in the middle of nowhere, away from all of the bullshit of the world. Especially so close to November 3rd. So, I'm thoroughly enjoying the peacefulness of this place. I made it. Here we are, Beehive Basin. I messed up. I forgot my sunglasses in the car. Up above Beehive Basin, or at least the little pond, the lake. Let's keep climbing, see what kind of views we can find. I've hardly seen any squirrels out here. And this little guy scared the crap out of me. He chirped so loud. The trail, Beehive Basin Trail, and I would highly recommend hiking boots for the last quarter mile. But it was so worth it. Check it out. and it is really bright. Okay, here it is. What? All right, lunchtime. Favorite halfway point hiking snack, backpacking snack. A nice crisp juicy apple packed with sugar. It's so refreshing. These are also amazing. Honey, oats, chunky peanut butter, and chocolate chips. It's so tasty. The best part about every hike on the way there is the destination or the view and my crispy apple. And the motivation for the return hike is definitely taking my hiking boots off and putting on my chacos. Feels so good, especially because I got some blisters this time around, so feels good. Oh, and then stripping out of the sweaty clothes and putting on some fresh stuff. It was an awesome hike. Definitely gonna do it again.